Hi you guys, the last couple of weeks there's been a lot of excitement with Tesla and Tesla stock. And I do actually own a couple of shares of Tesla stock. Now, as you guys know, most of my investing is in ETFs and index funds, but I do hold approximately 20 individual stocks. And the only stock I have that is not a dividend stock is Tesla. Now, this month Tesla's hit all-time highs. It's insane how much it's gone up. Should I sell it? Let's talk about the pros and the cons. First of all, as I said, I only have 2 shares. Now, when I first got interested, first of all, the reason I got interested in Tesla stock is because I have an EV. I have an electric vehicle. Mine isn't a Tesla, however. Mine is a Leaf. This is my car. But I like the Tesla model, and I had actually thought of pre-ordering a Tesla Model 3. But when I looked at it, it's still going to be a $40,000 car, and I don't need that expensive of a vehicle. I think it's a good vehicle. I think it's a good company, and I think they're going to change how we look at driving cars. But anyway, so I started looking at it, and when I first started looking at Tesla stock, it was back in like February, and the stock was about $315 to $320 a share. And I said, that's too much. I feel like it's overpriced. Then it started coming down. In about May, I started noticing it was getting down around $250. And I told myself, if it gets below $220 a share, I'll buy some. So lo and behold, the end of June comes and it hits bottom. And I bought 2 shares, each at $219.50 a piece. Just 2 shares. That's all I still have, you guys. When I checked and I don't check these daily by any means, but when I heard all the excitement and everybody posting about Tesla, I decided to check. And when I looked at Tesla stock last night, it was $899, and it had been up to $901 yesterday. So I thought, is it time to sell? Then I decided to think. Then I started saying, well, let's look at the pros and cons of selling. First of all, I haven't held the stock for a year, so it would be a short-term game, which means I'd have to pay full taxes on it, ordinary income. That's a negative. I'm a buy and hold investor. I buy companies that I believe in, and I hold them long-term. So, is Tesla stock overvalued? Personally, yes. Right now, I think it is. But some of the companies out there that evaluate this say it could go up astronomically from here. Is it going to? I don't know. But let's talk about it. Because Tesla, everybody thinks of Tesla, they think of the cars. And that is the majority of their business. They have 3 models currently: the Model S, the Model X, and the Model 3. And soon they're going to be coming out with the Cybertruck and the Model Y. So as that goes, I think you're going to have a lot more sales. But Tesla also has a whole division of solar that they work on. And not a lot of people know that. Not only solar, but they're working for renewable energy sources. So they have their solar panels. They also have what they call their power wall, which is it's more or less a large unit that stores the power from the solar panels, so that if you have a problem or the power goes out, you're not left without power. You'll have some battery power. Now, honestly, I don't know a ton about that side of their business. I do follow a lot on their cars because, as I said, I was interested in it. But back to my dilemma. Should I sell my stock? I'm looking at it currently, and it shows that I have an unrealized gain of $1,358.05. That's pretty amazing for two shares. But here's the thing. If I were to buy some currently, I would have to spend $899.98. Almost $900, you guys, to buy 1 share back if I decided to sell today and buy tomorrow. I'm not going to do that. To me, holding on to the stock long term is the plan. And if it does go down again, which, as we know, stocks go up and down, if it goes down significantly, I consider buying more shares. As I said, this is the only stock I have that is not a dividend payer. And even the individual stocks in my portfolio make up less than 5%. So it's not a big part of what I do. I'm a buy and hold long-term investor. I bought this stock. I'm going to hold this stock until such time that I decide that I don't want to have it anymore, and then I'm going to sell it. Anyway, you guys, what do you think? Is Tesla, should I sell it? If you think I should sell it, put it in the comments. If you think you got something out of this, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel and you haven't already subscribed, you guys, subscribe to the channel. We have a growing community. It's interactive, and we're all learning together. All right. I appreciate it. Have a great day. Bye.